Hey, this is Dr. Dan Purser, danpursermd.com. Our MTHFR Support just got named Amazon Choice. It was already Prime. Now it's Amazon Choice for the MTHFR products, which is great. That's a big honor. Thank you, Amazon. If you're looking for that product, just go to Amazon. You can get either it or the Plus version and try it. We think our MTHFR Support and MTHFR Support Plus are the best MTHFR based support products on the planet. They're designed based off intracellular levels on nearly 1,000 patients with the MTHFR error, and we based it on the intracellular deficiencies they all had. We had almost 1,000 of those to look at, so it's really good data that we had to design that product. It works really well for about 98 to 99% of people, but it may not be perfect for you. Watch if you overmethylate, taking just one right away. Usually within 2 or 3 days, you'll know it'll make you feel terrible. You're going to be the 1 or 2% that overmethylate on it. Then if that's true, try the Support Plus and see if you won't overmethylate on that. If you still overmethylate on that or have problems, it's just not right for you. Maybe talk to your doctor or call me or whatever, and let's see if we can figure it out together. Watch for that overmethylation though, taking just one a day. You can even try one every other day. We're also coming out with a gummy. We call it a mini bite version, which is going to contain 1/4 of the MTHFR Support Plus. So you can start really low with a really tiny dose, just in case you're overmethylating, not even one a day. This is Dr. Dan Purser. I hope this helps a lot. God bless and go in good health.
Why you keep moving?